Okay, we have made the best invention in the world. Okay, so here we have the ultimate explosive transformer microwave. We have it. It is the best, and we made it. This is me, Jean-Luc Jean, and this is my assistant, Sofia. Okay, first, we will show you the snake. The snake is very long and dangerous, and very dangerous. And that is a wild boy. I don't know if you can see him, but he's wild. And he's watching Sesame Street. And he will be interrupting us throughout the video, so be prepared. Okay, so here, we take the snake. And then, we shove him in the microwave. Get in there. We shove him in the microwave all the way. Oh. 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 Oh.
You already got it.
My assistant Sofia will close the door, and she's hold it shut. And then we press the button, the special start button. Beep! And then we let it sit. Ma, 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 ma. Okay, it's done. We check it now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? I can't hear you! Sofia, answer me!
I do.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the door. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the bear! The bear, the cute little bear! Okay, we try something else. Okay, now we will be taking this little angel and putting it in the microwave. Sofia! Put it in the microwave!
Yes.
Sofia!
Yes. I put it in the mic.
Did you put it in the microwave?
Yes.
Now press the button. Now, okay, it is done. Now, Sofia!
Yep.
Open the microwave!
Opened it.
What's in there? A roller skate. Is it magic? No! It is science! Science! Okay, now we are back. And we have a new thing to do. I am going to take this normal cup of water and put it in and make a potion. It will make anybody who drinks it forget their name. They'll forget their name and not remember it ever again. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the microwave of science, and then it will come out different. Let's move the microwave of science. There, let's move.
Put it in the microwave.
That's right. Put it in the microwave. Okay. There's the wild boy of science. The wild boy of science. Wild boy. Oh, wild boy of science. Go to Sesame Street.
Okay.
Go, 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 go. Go on. I'm trying to make a science video, and you keep. Okay, now is it done? Sofia, check to see if the drink is done. Look at it. Show it to the audience. Look. It changed colors. I wonder if it will do what I say it would do. Wild boy science, go! Go! You cannot drink the potion of science. Get away! Sesame Street, watch it. Okay, now that we've gotten the wild boy science, we will test it. Sophia,
What?
will you drink this drink? Tell me what happens.
I don't know my name.
You don't know your name?
No.
Try to remember. Do you know it? At all?
No.
Do you know your name? Do you know your name?
Melinda?
No, your name is not Melinda, it is Sophia! Oh, do you remember your name, Sophia? You do remember it now. Drink more! Drink more, and you will forget your name.
I don't know. I don't know my name.
You don't know your name? That is freaky. Okay, next! To the next experiment! The next experiment! Okay, for the last and final experiment, we will take the bad guy that escaped from jail. I have him frozen. He's not talking. He's almost sleeping, but he's sleeping with his eyes open. I'm going to take this bad guy and turn him into a good guy. As good as I can get. He's going to be an immigrant, but he'll be good. He will not be bad. Okay, now we will take the bad guy and put him in the microwave. Be prepared to speak Spanish, bad guy! You will speak Spanish!
He's frozen.
Get in the microwave! Sophia! Shut the microwave! Press the button. Okay, now I think it is almost done. Ding! Yes, it is done. It is done. We will open it. Oh, it's different. I wonder if he will speak Spanish. Oh!
He's
Look.
frozen.
He's not frozen. He's alive. He's moving. See, he's moving. I think he's trying to say something. ¿Dónde está el baño? He said Spanish! He's speaking Spanish! Si pantalones y mi pantalones. Oh, he said, what'd you say? A gato en mi pantalones. He says there's a cat in his pants! Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our show! Sophia, say goodbye.
Bye.
Crazy Jungle Boy! Get over here now! Crazy Jungle Boy! Hey! Come here! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Go play.
Say bye-bye.